Hi guys, I literally just got home from McDonald's and I'm out of breath. But I got a package and it's from New Jersey. I don't know where this came from, but we're gonna open it. And I also got this bunion sleeve for my bunion for Christmas that my mom got for me. So we're gonna be unboxing this and seeing like what's in it. So hopefully you guys, will enjoy my video. But apparently that's what it looks like. What the fuck? If you have like a bunion like I do. A bunion, if you guys don't know, is literally when your toe bone is broken. Like it's not broken, but it's like, what's the word? I don't know what that is. What is that? How does my toe go in this? Is this for my whole foot? Okay, so I'm gonna try this on. Like, I know this is super weird for me to do, like right now, because like literally a bunion sleeve unboxing, who the fuck wants to see that? Okay, but I don't know how the fuck to put this on. Like, what the fuck is this? It's tickling my foot. Like, my foot is so ticklish right now. Oh my God. What is that? Is that how it goes? I think that's how it goes. My toe is not skinny. So apparently it goes like that. How's that gonna fix anything? Just looks like a thong. It looks like a fucking toe thong. I got a toe thong. Hey guys, I got a toe thong in the mail. That's literally what it is. It's a fucking toe thong. Oh my God, guys. I got a toe thong in the mail. But thank you guys for watching my video. I literally just like make these for fun right now, honestly. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this and literally just see what's in it, because like I really don't know. Like, I think it's my new dress that I got, so if it is, I'll dress up for you. Oh my God. Okay, so the packaging, I can tell what it is already. So it says blood supply. And that's what the packaging looks like. Obviously it's Gothic, you can tell. And it's got a skull and it's got roses. Look at this bag. Oh, and it's got hands. Whoever did this hurt, hello. Like literally. And it says blood supply, the original shop. And it has little crosses on it. And obviously the art of the packaging itself is super cool. So I'm gonna take it out of there so you can see the bag and what's in it, obviously. So we're gonna take this out. I'll show you guys what that is later. And then there, now you can see it better. As you can see, it's like super cool. And like you can see the little hands. Like, I just appreciate art, and I really just think it's like so good. Like, I love art. It makes me want to cry. Like, it just looks so cute. Whoever did this bag, like, I might just keep the bag. Like, I really just might keep this bag, like, literally. I don't know, it's Ziploc. I could use it for something. Isn't it beautiful? That's some good packaging. Okay, guys, so this is from New Jersey. This is a size large. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I think I'm literally in love with this dress right now. Okay, so it's velvet. When I got this dress, I didn't think I'd like it that much, but in person, it's fucking fantastic. Like literally, this is size large. And the tag itself says blood supply. And it's just, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Like, I'm sorry, but like that logo is absolutely beautiful. I'm literally crying inside. And then it's velvet and it has these studs on it, which I didn't even know it had. And then it has these little crosses on it. It's just so cute. I'm literally crying. You're so beautiful. I love you, whoever made you. Let's get married. No, I'm just kidding. No, but look at it. It's so beautiful. And like it's put on with screws. So like obviously it's really good quality. And then this is on there with fabric. So it's sewed on there with fabric. So it can't come off. Wow, and on the back, it has these two little pearl looking things. Looks really regal and beautiful. Literally, this is like an ad right now. This feels like an ad. And now I'm fingering this hole. So everybody, now you know it's my channel when I'm fingering holes. Okay, shut up. Okay, so literally, this is what this looked like. I'm literally salivating. I am so hungry for this dress on me right now. I'm hungry for you on me. Okay, sorry. But like literally, I'm so hungry for you right now. I'm hungry. Okay, so like on the back, I don't know what this is, but it's like some weird fabric. I don't know, I thought it was like scratch and sniff, I don't know. Like, it looks like those dryer sheets. I don't know what that is. Like, what kind of fabric is that? I don't know, but it's like folded inward like that. I really like this dress so far, but like I haven't tried it on yet. Okay, so hold on, I'm examining it. And apparently, it has a zipper underneath the sleeve. Now, I don't know why it has a zipper. Oh, I can fan out my armpits. Well, that's good for summer. Right, everybody? I can fan out my armpits in the summer. I literally can. Like, it's got a zipper right under the armpit. Like, what? Why? I don't know. Fanning out the armpits over here. And literally, it has like this lace on the edge. It has the lace on the edge, and then it has this sheer puffy sleeve, and then like I'm just so excited. Like oh my god. Like I'm just explaining. I forgot the cross. Oh, I forgot the cross. Okay, so literally this is a blue cross, okay? And it has these beautiful thorn flames around it, okay? And it's just the most beautiful cross, and then it's made with velvet. And then on the bottom is this shiny-ish looking, oh, what? Okay, I didn't even notice that. Okay, so literally, I remember this in the picture, but like, I forgot this was there. So on the bottom, it has this thing in the middle, okay? Oh, wow. Okay, so it's like this beautiful corset-y looking design at the bottom. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love this dress. And then on the bottom, it has this nice thick lace. Like, I mean, it's not thick, but like, you know, it's thick, you know, it's wide. And this material up here on the bottom is a little bit like shiny-ish, but it's like really good quality. Like the whole dress just feels pretty good. Like, okay, but we're gonna look on the inside. So like this is what the inside looks like. It's white. And then the fabric itself is not super thick, but I mean it is. It's thick enough to be good quality fabric. I think. But either way, I paid like $50 for this dress. Honestly, it's beautiful, and this is size large. So obviously, you know, I hope it fits me because I think it's Chinese, but I bought something else from this website and it fit me just fine. So there's no stretchy material on the back, but the material on top is stretchy. So you can stretch a little bit, like it's not super stretchy, but it's definitely, you know, flexible. It's flexible, okay? So if you have big breasts, unlike me, look at me. I do not have big breasts, okay? I weigh 140 pounds and I have a 34B, okay? A 34B. So that's what that is. And so that's what that looks like. And I'm gonna go get dressed real fast and dress up and put my makeup on, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks on me because I'm so excited. Like, I didn't think I'd like this dress that much. Honestly, it's so beautiful. And there's nothing on the back, like the bottom or anything. It's just on the front that it has this lace, but I think it looks so good. Like, it really does. And it's pretty long, so I think you can like tie it or whatever, or do whatever. Or you can even take it off if you want, but I won't take it off. So I'm gonna get dressed. I think I'm gonna wear my blue wig, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on me. And I hope you guys enjoy because I really love this dress. I hope it fits, and I hope that everything will look so great with my wig and my makeup because it's not complete without the makeup and the hair, guys, okay? It's not a look without the makeup and the hair because I have no makeup on. Look at me. I have no makeup on right now. I literally just got off work from McDonald's. So yes, I have real freckles, by the way. So yes, okay, so we're gonna go get dressed, guys, and I will see you guys real fast, okay? Okay, guys, so I finished my makeup. So this is what I look like. This wig looks super shiny right now, but like literally, I mean, it just looks like white people hair, if I'm being honest. So this is how I did my makeup. I just put blush on, concealer, the powder, white eyeliner, black eyeliner, and then some lipstick. That's what I did. And this is what I look like. I want to give you guys like a good angle. Hold on. I'm so sorry. I want to give you guys a good angle because I want you guys to see what I look like. Oh, get out of the way. Okay, so this is what my dress looks like. Obviously I'm a little fat, but like I weigh like 140 pounds. Like, let's get real here. So that's what it looks like. I mean, this dress kind of makes me look fatter because it's like ballooned, but like, you know, I'm not like, you know, I got a good shape going on. Okay, see, that's what it would look like if it was tight. Well, except for that poochie shoochie. But that's what it looks like. Look at that velvet. It looks so good, guys. Like, literally. So I think I might make an ASMR video now that I have my hair. So if you didn't notice, I put my hair in like little curly horns. I just love this wig and I think that looks so cute. I don't know. I really like it. All I did was go like that and then they just stay like that. So there's that. This wig was like $20. So that's what I look like. Ah, I love my face. Like, I literally just can't. Okay, so, like, do I sound so conceited? I don't know. Like, literally, I just love myself. I'm so sorry. So, that's what it looks like. Isn't it cute? What the fuck? So, that's what that looks like. Oh, you almost saw my pussy. Okay, so, yeah. And then, yeah. So, it's a little bit balloony, which is totally fine. I mean, I could have probably gotten size medium. If I'm being honest, I think I'll order a size medium next time. But honestly, I think it looks good. But like also, the back, like if it was size medium, I think it's a little shorter. So, and I have a big butt, so I don't know how that would work. So I think if I'm gonna do anything, I'm gonna like put something stretchy right here. That way it doesn't look as balloony, but I don't know, like, cause that's kind of a look though, like the balloony, but like I'm just fat, so it just makes me look a little fatter, but like it's also kind of a look, you know, just like the balloony look. I don't know, does that make sense? Like the balloony look, I don't know. So that's literally what it looks like. I love it. Okay, so now you can really see the studs and the crosses. And I love this dress more than the other one, and I thought that the other one would be cuter. Isn't that bullshit? Like, I don't know, I just didn't like the way the other one looked on me. This one definitely looks better. I do need to lose weight, but I'm on a diet. I'm not on a diet to lose weight though, I think I look fine. But I definitely, I don't know. I definitely think that I can eat healthier, and that's what I'm doing. I eat spinach. I'm gonna eat a spinach salad after. But I have worked out for like 3 years, to be honest, so I'm not like fucking fat and lazy. I eat a lot of food. So yeah. But yeah, that's what that looks like. And literally, I love it. Like, it looks so good. Like, literally. I don't know. I don't care if it's like a little shiny, like the wig, I don't know. I think I could put like some stuff on it to make it look less shiny. But like, to be honest, I mean, it really looks like real hair, especially if you're white. And the color is so blue that like, I mean, it would look like this kind of anyway, you know? But yeah, I just like this hairstyle with the little horns. I don't know. You should do it too. We could be twinsies. So like literally, now you can see the bottom. Now you can see that really well. Isn't it cute? I kind of cut the string a little bit because it was a little long. Like literally, even now it's still long, but like, I don't know. So I'm gonna do like a little twirl for you guys. I just look so cute. Like, I love it. Oh my god. And I love the velvet. The velvet's my favorite. I love the velvet. The velvet's my favorite. Okay, and then there's my lacy armsies. It kind of curls up a little. And let me check out those armpits. So apparently there's only a zipper on this one. But I don't know why. Why is there a zipper there? I have no clue. So if this dress was like that, I don't think it would look the same as it's like that. I think it looks more dolly when it's like out fluffy, if that makes sense. It looks like a doll dress, if we're being honest. Like something a doll would wear or something, I don't know. But yeah, I really like this dress a lot. Like, I'm gonna dress up, I think I'm gonna take some cute Instagram photos in this, if I'm being honest. So, I might take Instagram photos and then put them in the video. So, but yeah, that's the end of the video. So, let me know what you think about the dress itself. You don't have to tell me what it looks like on me if it's not a positive thing, because I don't want to hear it. Like, literally, I think it looks good, so that's it. Like, literally, I don't know. Because, you know, there's always the people that go, ugh, you look fat in that dress. There's always those people, like, literally, bitch, like, I am fat. I look fat in a dress, and I look fat in a skirt, and in sweatpants. I look fat no matter what to you. But anyway, like, bitch, I'm gonna look fat and I'm gonna look good, bitch. What are you gonna do about it? I don't know. But, like, literally, I don't know. People are weird, and, like, on the internet, because, like, literally, they don't think. They don't think. So I'm just gonna let you guys, you know, comment and subscribe, because you love me, and you're gonna go, yes, girl, you look so good. That's what you're gonna do. So everyone, have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay safe, eat healthy, and get a dress. Get this dress. It's like 50 bucks, unless you can't afford it. Well, then you're probably 16, 15. I don't know, but this is size large. I weigh 140, and I mean, it stretches a lot up here, so I could have big boobs, and it would be fine, but it only goes to like that. I don't know how big that is, like a double D, I don't know. But yeah, everyone have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.